guys, welcome to my channel. Hillary here. So this is, I didn't know what I wanted to do. Like, I came up with like, well, I didn't come up with it. I kind of saw this look, like this girl that like had something similar, so I kind of just changed it around a little bit. And yeah, so I don't know, I hope you guys like it. It's not an everyday type of look. It's just something if you ever like, you know, I don't know, it's just, I liked it. So I like to play with colors, and I haven't done an extra eyeshadow look, and I feel like I've been taking a break. Like, if you know me, you know I love to go extra on my eyes, but I haven't done that in a minute. So today I wanted to play with the colors a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna use this light purple as a transition color, so we're gonna apply it all over the eyes.
Trying to get paid, take money, cash checks. You see the set, that's Lash, that's Dex. Young C, Young Shorty, Milcavelli. White bricks, True Religion on the telly, it's me. Wiz got the house full of freaks. That's why I haven't been around for a week. I'm getting pounds in my sleep. I'm at the top of the mountain. By the way, I'm gonna do one eye on camera and the other one off camera, just so I don't waste too much time. In the stitching, walked in, no weapon, made a killing. Tongue kissing, pretty women. New iPhone cause I'm done with all the bitching. Okay, so now we're gonna use this concealer. It's from Sephora. My black girls, it's really good. It's called No Mistake, number 13. So I'm gonna apply it as like a wing liner, and I'm gonna add the eyeshadow on it, basically. Okay, this is like a bright orange, and also I didn't add it on camera, but I also mixed the orange with some yellow. So if you guys want to do that to give it a little bit more, like so it could pop out a little bit more, you could do that too. Now we're set for life. I saw the turn up button and I pressed it twice. You heard I'm in the club, then my best advice is put your shoes on and come and get your wife, because we've been having sex just for exercise. Every night men are doing sex. Okay, so back to the palette. Now I'm gonna use this bright pink, and I'm gonna apply it over my lids. Me need you close to me, me tell I say me, oh stay on the road, bad energy stay far away, make you stay far away. And also I forgot to say that like adding the tape is gonna make your look a little bit more sharp. Some people use it, some people don't. I prefer to use the tape because it's like, it'd be looking A1 when I take it off. Just wait for it. Trying to do the home run. Left that girl, she was no fun. I tie one, smoke one, big chief skeppy and I answer to no one. Counting my blessings, I'm feeling special. Bird's eye view. It's gonna end up looking like a colorful type of wing liner, because that's what I was going for. I told her I need some space. Real busybody, never stay in one place, and she knows I got more. Little bit more orange. She never wants me to leave. She tell me, bad man, see I need your love. See I need your love. Me need you close to me. Me tell I say me, oh stay on the road. Bad energy stay far away. Make you stay far away. I'm gonna go back to the purple just so I can blend it in a little bit so it looks better. And then now I'm gonna use this it's kind of like a glitter liner. It's gonna end up looking like a cut crease, sort of, but I'm gonna add this liner in the description to tell you guys which where I got it from, for those who want to know. Now we're gonna take off the tape and we're gonna get right into beating that face. I'm actually using my concealer. I apply it all over my face because I have like, my face is like 3 different colors, you guys, honestly. So for my black girls with the same problem, I'm just trying to do that to give my face one whole color, and it actually works. So just wait for it. Let me have a body. Mon amour. Let me have a body. Yeah, please moi m'a checo. Chaque jour play des like photo. Des fois qu'on dit vin koto. Et les m'rivé moi propoto. Chérie 6 points bon pour Jean-Jean. Wa femme souffrir wa bon. Baking time.
I'm just gonna apply a little bit of mascara. I did the rest of my mascara off camera, so yeah. Also, I didn't put that on camera. If you want, like where I was applying my mascara, basically under the eyes, you can add a little bit of green, which is what I'm doing right now, just to give it a little bit more pop. So if you want, or you could always add some black eyeliner, up to you. Now I'm adding some powder to my face. It's my Iman powder, my go-to, because it just gives me that look, like one whole color, and everything just fits and just looks perfect. I definitely recommend it to my girls. Now we're gonna go into the Fenty palette, and I'm gonna use it as my highlight. I stopped putting highlight on my cheekbones, so we're just gonna add the highlight all over the nose. And I forgot to add it on camera too. I did add some highlight on my brow bones, so you guys can do that too. And for my lips, it's just a pink and some clear lip gloss, and you mix everything together, and there you go. You can use whatever shade of pink you have, and I'm also gonna add some highlight on my Cupid's bow. My finishing spray is from NYX, and here is the end result. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter. Everything is going to be in the description box. I will not be able to make it without you. Stay tuned for more. Bye.